My dear CMA SFM students, I am coming live with this exciting announcement that I am going to do an intensive CMA SFM scanner marathon. Friends, this marathon is going to happen on 19th, 20th and 21st. On these 3 days, friends, we will go and discuss the past CMA SFM question papers so that entire thing is covered in a short span of 3 days. Not only this, friends, this live session, I will not be only solving the past exam questions. With this past examination question, I will be connecting it with the logic and I will be explaining each and every question so that in those 3 days, ideally, you can revise the entire CMA SFM in a very short span of time. So friends, please subscribe to this channel at the earliest and share this link with your friends so that maximum students can benefit from this CMA SFM scanner marathon, friends. Coverage wise, since I'm doing the past question papers, we'll be covering the entire CMA SFM and exam point of view, at least 60% to 70%, at least conceptually, will come from whatever is being taken over there. So friends, these are the highlights. It will be from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Past question papers we are going to cover along with conceptual base. So do not delay, friends. Register now. I will see you there.